Well, it's great to be back this year. I'm just glad that I'm with Bob and not with Ed Asner. Okay. If you were here, we
can
won't
change
talk
that if you want.
It's okay. Anyway, this year the board decided to revamp the Technical Achievement Award. It is now the CAS Outstanding Product Award. The entries were chosen by the membership and include two categories, production and post-production.
Eligible products have to be released within the last 2 years to qualify. A blue ribbon panel narrowed the field to 10 nominees, and then ballots are sent to the active membership for voting. We congratulate the manufacturers of the nominated products, all of whom enhance the quality of our work.
Let's take a look at the nominees for the CAS Outstanding Product Award for Production. The Cinema Audio Society Outstanding Product Award for Production goes to CEDAR DNS Dynamic Noise Suppression Unit.
Wow. Well, the CEDAR company is located in Cambridge, England, so it's quite a haul. So they've asked me to accept this for them. And I've known the principals at CEDAR for 25 years, and I can tell you that their heart is in the right place for our profession. And I know that they're thrilled that after being known for their post-production equipment, that they've now been awarded this for something for production sound. So on behalf of them, I say thank you very much.